Today was our first full day on KOH LIPE, a small Thai island in the Adaman Sea. We started our relaxing day with a delicious seaside breakfast. Then we headed to the resort's second swimming pool, where we enjoyed sitting in the relaxing whirlpool. Afterwards, we moved to the main beachfront swimming pool. Where we enjoyed some drinks from the swim-up bar during our swim. As the weather was sunny, we decided to fly the drone over the beautiful blue Adaman Sea in front of the resort. After a morning of relaxing around the resort, we were hungry and ready to explore the island's food offerings. We walked to the busy central area, checked this handy map of the walking street, then found the almost deserted ocean restaurant adjacent to the start of the walking street, where we enjoyed a lunch of barbecued pork ribs, grilled vegetables, and a salad. We set out to explore the walking street in daylight. Walking past one of the island's two 7-Eleven stores. Despite the roadway being built as a walking street, there were still motorcycles to contend with. We passed the island's main medical facility, a small clinic, and wandered further down the street, which was lined with massage parlors, bars, souvenir shops, food vendors offering a wide array of choices, including horseshoe crabs, travel agents offering day trips, and the sole cannabis dispensary that we saw on the island. We reached the far end of the walking street. and decided to fly the drone to capture images of the far side of the island. As we walked back along the street, we encountered this older fellow offering his coconut donuts by singing a catchy tune. We made our way back to the resort. For dinner, we ate at the resort's magnificent weekly all-you-can-eat buffet. Which included freshly cooked roti. Then we took a walk along the beach before turning in for the night. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, share, and comment.